Welcome to how to generate and manipulate sequences with the fx-CG100. In this video, we will demonstrate how to find sequence terms, solve sequence problems, and sum a series. The methods demonstrated relate to a single arithmetic sequence, but are equally applicable to geometric sequences. To start, we will look at generating the terms of this sequence. Press Home and select Calculate by scrolling or using the shortcut. To find the terms iteratively, enter the first term 4 and press Execute to store that value as the calculated answer. If no other keys have been pressed, it is not necessary to recall answer by pressing the orange alpha key followed with Format. Simply add 3 and ANS is recalled automatically. Then execute to find the second term. Repeat as necessary to find further terms. Careful vertical scrolling through the lines of calculation will allow you to keep track of the term numbers, but it would be easy to lose count. An alternative approach can be used to generate the terms of a sequence in a list, which makes it easier to keep track of the term numbers. Stay in Calculate and press Catalogue. From the pop-up menu, select Statistics by scrolling or using the shortcut. Then select Generate Sequence to display the sequence template. This allows evaluation between entered bounds of any function in chosen intervals. First, enter the deductive definition of the sequence as the function. For ease of entry, the variable x is used, but any alpha variable, including n, could also be entered. Then enter the variable used in the function, the start and end values, and the interval. Calculate to display the list of values. See our other resources to find out how to extract a value from the list or store this list in statistics. The sum of a series between terms is a common question, requiring application of formulae. Sigma calculation can easily be used to support this summation. Press Catalogue, but this time select Function Analysis. From the menu, select Summation. This displays the Sigma template where the function, variable, and bounds can be entered. Enter the parameters as shown and calculate to show the sum. Formulae can also be used to find specific terms in a sequence. To find the 10th term of our sequence, enter a equals 4 and d equals 3, noting that d pre-multiplies the parentheses. Calculate to find the term. More general questions may ask for terms or sums greater than a value. We can approach these problems by setting up an equation and solving numerically. Press Catalogue again and select Function Analysis. Now select Solve Equation, Solve n. Then enter the deductive definition seen earlier. To enter the equal sign, press Shift first and then the open parentheses key. Complete the equation with the required value and calculate. Close the displayed warning with OK to show an exact value. Press Format to display a decimal, indicating that the 32nd term is the answer. Another method for generating sequences is to use recursion. From Home, go to Recursion. The default input is for a recurrence relation, so we need to change some settings. Go to Setup and select Type. Then select the general term UN. Start to enter the definition and then press Catalogue to enter the term number. A slightly different menu appears from that seen before. Select the first option, Recursion. and then the term number n. Complete the definition and confirm. Press Right tab to go to Table to display the calculated sequence terms disregarding the term 0. Scroll to see more terms. Sometimes sequences are defined by recurrence relations with a given first term value. To calculate the terms, first go back and delete the existing formula. Confirm the deletion and return to Setup. Select Type as before, and the next term, UN add 1. To avoid confusion, we need to start the sequence with U1, so return to Setup again, and select First Term. Change to U1 and check that the input template is correct. To calculate the correct number of terms, return to Setup once more, and select Set Table Domain. Enter the start term 1 and confirm. Then enter the end term 10 or more if you want, and confirm. The settings have now been changed to allow correct calculation. So go back to Sequence to enter the definition. Press Catalog and select Recursion as before. Enter the general term UN and complete the recurrence relation. Confirm and notice that a second relation of the same type can now be entered if required. Now enter the first term value and confirm. Then Right tab to display the term values and scroll to see more. It is also possible to sum sequences created in recursion. Press Settings to open the pop-up and select the first option, Sigma Display. Then go back to Sequence. Right tab to display the terms and the cumulative summation values. Scroll to show further values. Sometimes it may be useful to store the recursion values for later analysis. To store values in a single list, scroll to the column to be stored, in this case the term values. Then press Tools and select Store List. Enter the list number where the values will be stored and confirm. To check the values have been stored, from Home, go to Statistics to display the stored values. See our other resources for how to use lists. Alternatively, all the displayed values in recursion can be recalled in a matrix. From Home, return to Calculate and press Catalog. Scroll or use a shortcut to select Variable Data. From the Recall options, select Recursion and Recursion Table Result. To generate the recall matrix, press Execute. Scroll to see further values or see our other resources for how to use matrices. We hope that you have found this video useful. If so, please do check out our other resources on the Casio Education UK website and YouTube.